Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well and keeping safe. So this video is the first episode of the recreation series that I promised you about in my previous video. So if you haven't already watched it, then please do give it a watch because I made a few announcements in that video. So I will leave the link up in the eye so you can tap and watch that video right here. So basically this series is all about recreating popular brands in the home decor segment that come out with very expensive products, and of course we cannot afford them, but even if we can, I think we can save up on some money if you can create those same products at our home. So this is the first episode of the series, and today we are recreating a very popular brand named West Elm. If you already don't know about the brand, I will leave a link in the description box below. So they basically came out with this tray which is like a bamboo or a reed tray you can say, and it was priced as 6,500 rupees, and I was like, why is it so expensive at the first grade? Of course it was handcrafted, but yeah, I think 6,500 is still expensive for a product like that. I will tell you how you can create the same product at your home within just rupees 200. So if you want to know how you can create the same box at your home, then please keep on watching this video to the end and do let me know in the comment section how do you feel about this recreation. I won't take much of your time, so let's just get started. To start off, you need to have two cardboard pieces which are exactly of the same size. Mark the center points from both the length and breadth and draw lines for your reference. Once you have 4 equal quadrants, move on to establish the boundary from the bamboo sticks. To be honest, I don't know what exactly these sticks are referred to as, but you can find people calling these from different names. Some call it sarkanda, some call it kulfi sticks, and some call it reed and bamboo. Now taking 4 sticks of probably the same size and same thickness, align each stick to the edge of the cardboard base to have an idea of how much length you would require. Once you have a rough idea, make a slant cut in the direction where the other stick will meet. The slant cut helps in more durable structures. Now fix it using All-Fix. This glue is quite strong and also leaves no marks, so it's absolutely transparent. Once done, here's how it will look. You need to follow this step for both the cardboard pieces. Now, if you notice, I've also added diagonal cuts to the cardboard since the pattern on the West Elm box goes diagonally. You can choose to keep it simple as well. Now again, take a few bamboo sticks and place them over the triangle formed from our reference line. Once you have an idea of how many sticks the triangle will take to cover, glue the sticks together. Once again, place the glued sticks on the top of the triangle and mimic the reference lines on the glued structure. Trim the excess part using the paper cutter and paste it using All-Fix. Now follow the same procedure for the other sides as well. Now cut several 2 cm pieces of bamboo sticks and flip the cover. These little pieces form the boundary of the cover of the box. Glue all the pieces very precisely and in a straight line. Now, just like you made a boundary initially, you need to make it again, but this time on the top of the sticks that we just pasted to the base. To provide extra strength and hide imperfections, I also use some jute rope to cover the borders. Coming to the bottom part of the box, the process remains the same except the fact that now instead of 2 cm sticks, we will use 8 cm. You can use 5 cm as well, but I felt 8 cm provides more depth and you can store more. Repeat the process until you achieve the desired results. That's all. Here's how you can literally make a 6500 Western box at home within just ₹200. I hope you liked it.
Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did making it for you. Please do try this tutorial at your home and don't forget to share it with me on my social media handles which are provided in the description box below. And also अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो please give it a big thumbs up, comment down your views below and please share this video with your friends, neighbors, family, peers, everybody that you know of so that I can reach out to more people. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.